Hello friends, this is Shaz and welcome back to the Ministry of Reviews. So in this video today, I will be testing the latest product from the famous Coral Vision company. Now, Coral Vision is a famous company in making car gadgets and accessories. They've made so many nice products and I've tested quite a few of them on my channel here. Now, I am genuinely a big fan of this brand. I've tested their products and those products have been very nice in terms of the overall quality, the durability, and I'm not actually getting paid to make these remarks. I genuinely love this brand. So this new portable screen from Coral Vision is a 10.3-inch HD portable car screen. It comes with a lot of nice features like the wireless CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, mobile screen mirroring, and quite a few others. So first, let's do the unboxing of this portable screen, and then I will take this out to my car, set it up on the dashboard, and then start testing the different functions and features of this new RX10 portable car screen from Coral Vision. So keep watching, guys. Alright friends, so now let's do the unboxing of this Coral Vision RX10 portable car screen. Now it comes in this very nice box. You've got the image of the portable screen on top. You've got some feature logos on top as well. Now this box comes in a sleeve. So let's take off the sleeve. So we've got the portable screen. And we'll come back to this in a while. Let's check out the other contents of the box. Alright, so what we get inside the box is this cigarette lighter for power. So you connect this with a cigarette lighter adapter in your car, and the other end connects with the screen. Then you also get a aux cable for audio connection. There you go. This is the cigarette lighter. And then you have a mounting bracket. Now this mounting bracket is for the dashboard only. So you can connect the screen on this side and then use this to put it on the dashboard. Now this is a sticking pad, so a two-sided sticking pad. Stick it to the mounting bracket and then stick this end to the dashboard. And then finally, we also have some user manuals. Alright, so now let's have a closer look at this RX10 Coral Vision portable screen. Now, as you can see, this is a 10.3-inch portable screen. Now, this is the new trend in these portable screens, which are this kind of a layout, horizontal layout. You know, in the old days, you used to get a squarish kind of a layout or a design, but this is what people prefer now. You know, it sits very nicely on the dashboard. Now, let's look at the connection. So you've got the power button on the top. And then at the back, you've got this area for putting the bracket on. You also have a built-in speaker. So now you can connect this with the sound system of the car, but if you don't want to do that, you can just use the built-in speaker. I think that would be enough for the space inside the car. And in terms of the connection, you've got all the connections on this side. So you've got the Type-C connection. This is for the power. Next to it is the AV in. Now this is where you connect a camera, a rear camera. Then you also have a slot for the SD card or the TF card. And now this device doesn't come with a USB flash drive. It only comes with the SD memory card, and we will insert an SD memory card to play some videos on the screen. And then finally you also have the input for the aux audio cable. All right, so very simple connections, not complicated at all. Very nice looking screen, and it's not heavy at all. You've got some details of the brand here and the model. But that's it, guys. Looks quite nice, and you've got a screen protector on it already, so that's quite nice. But all in all, you know, looks quite nice. Now let me take this out to my car, and then I'll set this up on the dashboard, and then we will test the different functions and features of this Coral Vision RX10 portable car screen. Alright friends, so now this is the main layout or the main landing page or the home page of this Coral Vision RX10 portable screen. Now let me give you a quick tour of this layout. So on the left side, you've got this home button, straightforward. You've got the brightness adjustment, and then you've got the volume adjustment. This volume adjustment is for the built-in speaker. And then you also have the option of powering off this device, and then you can click on the screen and then it powers on. And now on the middle of the screen, you have the phone link. This is for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And then you've got this Bluetooth option. This is where you can actually connect your mobile with the device. And you can play music from your mobile, or you can actually make phone calls as well. Media player is where you can access the SD memory card to play video or audio content. FM transmitter is how you actually connect the audio from this portable screen to the sound system of your car, and I'll show you how to do that later on. And then finally, you've got this settings section. Now within the settings section, you've got these 6 areas. First one is a screensaver. Then you've got the voice control. Now voice control is a very simple turn on the display or turn off display kind of a voice command, and then you can switch it on, switch it off. Then you've got the driving position, right hand drive or left hand drive. You can have languages here as well, so it has Chinese, Mandarin, English, Spanish, Russian, and a few other. Let me see what other. So you've got French, Dutch, Arabic, Italian, Portuguese. So quite a few languages on this device. And then you've got a factory reset and a software update version as well. So straightforward. Now what I will do is, in order to test the performance of this RX10 portable car screen, I will start testing some of the functions and features of this portable screen. Alright friends, so the first thing I would like to do is actually connect the audio from this portable screen to the sound system of my car, and we can do that through the FM transmitter function. So we click on this. Now you see this is FM's frequency, and the next step is actually go to your car radio and find a frequency which is available. So a frequency that doesn't have a channel on it. So we've got this 102.2 on my car, and I've set that up the same frequency on this portable screen. And the next step is simple. You just need to click on this FM transmitter switch on button. There you go. So FM transmitter has been turned on successfully. So now the audio from this portable screen is linked to the sound system of my car. Alright, now let's try to play a video from the SD memory card through this media player app. And we will also test the audio that we've connected with the system of my car. All right, so let's play this video here. So you get a full listing of all the content that you have on the SD card. You select, like we've selected this test video. It comes out quite nicely. And obviously the audio is now actually connected with the radio system of my car. It's quite nice. The quality is quite good and sharp. There's absolutely no disturbance. Let's increase the volume. Alright, so audio quality seems to be quite nice. Now this FM transmission is a very good function, especially for the older cars, because I know all the cars would have radio system, so they can simply connect the audio to their system in the car through the FM radio. So as you can see, this one looks quite nice in terms of the resolution and the layout, and the colors are quite nice. Audio connected, the quality is quite nice as well. Alright, so let's test the wireless CarPlay option. So we click on this phone link. See, you've got Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Apple AirPlay. This is for mobile mirroring or the screen mirroring. You've got Android casting. This is for the Android mobile screen mirroring. And then you can have the Bluetooth music, so you can connect with your mobile and listen to the music on your mobile. So let's first do this Apple CarPlay. And the process is very, very simple. You just need to go to your iPhone. And on the iPhone, open Bluetooth, and then you should be able to see a new device here as RX10. Click on this, pair the device, allow it to sync favorites and contact, and then click on Use CarPlay. So that's it. Now we should be able to see the homepage of Apple CarPlay on the screen. Now this is a very easy one-time setup process, and you know, next time you switch on the car, it will automatically detect the connection and take you directly to the homepage of Apple CarPlay. And as you can see, it looks so nice, and the quality of the screen is very nice. This is full HD 10.3 inch screen, and as you can see, it looks quite nice. Now, I will not explain the functions and features of Apple CarPlay in this video, but you can see we've got music. You can play music as well. Now, obviously, you can use a Siri option on this as well. You don't actually have to click on the screen all the time, and you can search for locations. You can actually use the phone calling option. So let's click on a location. There you go. So looks quite nice, very nice size of the screen. You can easily navigate. You can listen to music, as I said. You can use the phone calling option as well. And all this you can do with Siri, with voice command. You don't have to click on the screen all the time. All right, so now let's try to connect the wireless Android Auto. So we click on this phone link icon again, and then select Android Auto, confirm the switch, and then again follow the instructions on the screen here. Now for Android Auto, the steps are exactly the same as the wireless CarPlay. So basically you need to go to your the Android mobile, open the Bluetooth setting, scan for new devices, and then in the available devices you should be able to see this device appear as RX10. You click on this RX10 device, then pair the device, and that's it. It's a simple connection, and then in a few seconds this will take us directly to the home page of Android Auto. There you go. So this is the main homepage of the Android Auto system. Now this is the landing page. You see a split screen. You've got the navigation, the map on the left side. You've got the media playing on the right side, and then you have some shortcut icons here. So you have obviously you can use the voice assistant on this one as well, just like the Apple CarPlay. You can go to the map and make calls. You've got settings as well, and in fact this dot section actually takes you directly to the full view of all the different apps that are available on Android Auto, and then come back to this main page, click on the map, and you get actually a full screen map. Actually click on this, and then you get a full page or a full view of the map navigation. You can go and select location, and then obviously it will navigate. You can listen to the music on your mobile through this function as well. So basically go to the full app view, and then open the music section on the VLC, and then play music through either the audio Mac or the VLC. All right, so one very important thing that I would like to test on this portable screen is when I switch on the car, does the device automatically connect to the FM audio system, or do I need to do that process every time I sit in the car? One. Number two is, if my device was connected with the Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, depending on your mobile, does it directly take me to the home page of Android Auto, or do I need to connect the device again with my mobile? So in order to do that, we will unplug the device and plug it back in, and I also have my stopwatch ready here just to time this process. So let me unplug the device now, and then we connect the device, start the timer. So the device powers up in about 3 seconds. All right. So the disturbance is gone, which means the device is actually connected with the FM transmission. So the now device automatically connects with the radio system. So that's one good news. We don't have to do that process every time we switch on the car. And now number two is that directly take us to, wow, it takes us directly to Apple homepage, and it's about 30-31 seconds. Very fast, and a very good function. You know, you don't need to do these connections every time you switch on the car. It automatically connects the audio to the system of your car, and then also takes you directly to the homepage of Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, depending on which mobile you've connected with the device. All right, now let's try to do the screen mirroring on the iPhone. So we click on the phone link section again, and then we select this Apple AirPlay, and you have all the instructions mentioned here. So in this case, you just need to go to your Wi-Fi and look for this new network as CarLink. Click on this. All right, so enter the password, which is mentioned on the screen, 123456778. All right, so the device is now connected to this Wi-Fi network, and then the next step is simple. You just need to drop down from the top right, click on this screen mirroring option, and then click on the smart screen. There you go. So now the screen of your mobile is mirrored on this portable screen, and it's a very simple process. Looks very nice, and you can play anything on the mobile. It would appear on the screen here. You can play things like YouTube, Netflix, and streaming services, Instagram, Facebook, anything that you have on the mobile that you want to play would be then mirrored on the screen. So for example, you can play videos from your gallery. This is a video I just recorded. Looks quite nice. It doesn't come on the mobile because it's connected to the portable screen, so you only get to see it on the screen here. But as you can see, it's such a nice, the quality is good. It comes out to be, and this is an amazing function of this portable screen. Alright friends, so we've tested almost all the functions and features of this RX10 portable screen. Everything worked perfectly fine. The screen mirroring was one of the best things in this device, but the best of all for me is this reconnection function on this portable screen. So guys, I highly recommend this 10.3-inch portable screen RX10 from Coral Vision. If you're interested, just go to the link in the description of this video. It takes you directly to the official store of Coral Vision, where you can buy this RX10 portable car screen 2023 model. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching this video.